come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in bro.
Aroma. Asema ba. Aroma. Tell us who be TV. Aroma.
Before you talk, the name is Brother James.
Brother James. I'm gonna bit my throat about me. I'll send me them now. Aroma. Asema ba school man. Aroma. Who need me pa? Who bet me go amount to mama be okay. It's not say baby I didn't and one fan to her. If you go fall down.
That's true.
And he say Aroma. Headmaster Mwaya nini who school man. Aroma obe Jade is a headmaster. Ebonere. She beat her wife. She beat her wife. Oh, the way the headmaster they beat her wife. Is what me buna no work can it tibo them tia ni tiso blah. Tia kan no say me homete na mintimi na so what me so de mintimi ko headmaster name straight. And I won one ko nya me nipa. E so pass o person ka asem kire nyankopon a na dey afam from us. Tell me message. We dey in favor. Anka won headmaster enko kasa. Nanko wants someone what it because we did there. Oh, boy, did say,
Brother Bilson, what do you get from gossip?
Gospel.
I didn't say gospel, I said gossip.
Conconsa.
Yes, what do you get from gossip?
But I'm not concon. Right now, I'm not talking conconsa.
You are a gossip.
Who say I'm gossip?
You are.
But right now, I'm talking the fact.
Brother Bilson, you are a gossip, and I don't know why. What do you get from gossip? And wait, before I even go there, who told you that? Who told you that the headmaster abuses
his son? Tatiana Rachel.
His daughter.
His daughter told me that his father is beating his mother, which is very, very bad.
Brother Wilson, I don't support violence though. But if somebody has trusted you to that extent of telling you their family problems, why should you keep it out? Why should you go around telling people? No, the girl trusted you, that's why she opened up to you. So why should you go around telling people? Why are you even telling me?
Because I'm guilty. And imagine and
you are guilty.
Yes. I imagine baby.
Guilty of what?
I said I'm confused. I am I'm very, very, very guilty. I am say once his headmaster Mwaujina a domain a tree of say am I morals? Oh no boy. And if Mr. William Carnan and Casa.
All I can say is if it's true the headmaster does that, then that's very bad.
It's very bad. Yes. It's very, very, very bad.
Very, very bad.
It's uncontrollable.
But please,
very bad.
Brother Bilson, please don't go around telling people. That is not good.
I'm not. That is why I'm coming.
Listen. Imagine somebody hears this that Rachel told you that her dad beats her mom. What is headmaster going to do to her daughter?
That is why I come to you. I know that you are a father of God because you won't tell everyone. Do you understand?
Well, thank you for opening up to me, but please, I don't think I can do that. Please.
Why?
I don't think I can do that.
Oh, don't do like that. Don't do like that.
But
because listen. I know that only you in this school, only you talk to headmaster. Headmaster will listen. Because right now you are born again. That is why I carry myself calm your face. So I beg.
Being a born again doesn't mean I should go around talking about people's problems. But Wilson, if it concerns, I only talk about things that concern me. You understand? And this, how
are you preaching the gospel?
I am not.
Are you preaching the gospel to yourself?
Listen to me. If I saw it with my naked eye, then I think I can talk about that. So, okay, wait. Should I tell him the Opoku said he beats me?
Because no more naked. What did you mean? Naked brain every time.
And I say, "Se me kwa, me can't try to say, wo na wo see ana."
Debi ade awate. Kata say ya.
How? Me ede na ti. Ni fi asem.
No, we nyam ni party so because am chira ansa no wate bibi.
But Abiyosen, please. I'm not sure I can do this, please. Baby, I can't do that. So
Jimmy say ya.
Don't insult
Jimmy say ya. I call you cry. I was me yin free me come on the phone because we no any papa. Yamia from me, can't so much on more catch the master. Original, yeah, I can't. Then I'm not from a bed. At least solve cases. Oh, case be one man. Solve it. A doom pie and so on. One by my. Oh, Yami floor, Papa. One side I lay school had that. Yami floor. Me who was I led the CB OBT and there. Now, some OBT and there. Uncle Tafre vitamin C. Wait.
He said, hey, sir, is that how you are?
What do you mean by is that how?
Sir, I'm traumatized.
Hey, go straight to the point.
Sir, I never thought that anybody, like if anybody would do this, I never thought it would be you.
What do you mean?
Sir, you know, like when I heard this news, it has pained me.
What news?
Sir, you beat your wife.
Waka! Who beats his wife?
Sir, it's not. Hausa insults are not needed in this situation.
You are mad.
Sir, no, like this, it has pained me. Hey, I'm in loss for words. I don't know what to say.
Do you know what you're talking about?
Sir, yes. Sir, in fact, when I heard it, I didn't know what to make of it because every day when I look at you, I admire you, I adore you. I wanted you to be my role model.
Hey.
I wanted to be like you when I grew up.
Okay, so who told you that?
Sir, this guy, it's all around the school, all around, like wherever you pass.
So you people are spreading falsehood about.
Sir, it wasn't me.
Who?
Sir, isn't it Opoku?
Opoku.
Yes.
Opoku.
Yes.
Hey.
Sir, he said that. Hey. Sir.
So Opoku is present that.
Sir, everybody knows who. Sir, Scanty, Aroma, my J, all the girls even know. In fact, I was thinking that when Bernice hears this, what will she think? Well, sir, now that when I see her, I think after she heard the news, but now she's been thinking a lot. But sir, the way he came to exaggerate, sir, he said that when you get her, when she does something that you don't like, and then you catch her, then you put her on the ground, then you punch it, then you go and take a pistol, they use it to hit
So that's what
sir,
and she's not dead.
Sir, that was what Opoku was saying. Sir, he said that you go and take he said you can tie her, then put her on the road, then use your car, then you move.
People are crazy. Opoku, huh?
Yes, Opoku.
It's Opoku.
Sir, please, you have to deal with him.
Opoku, right?
Yes, Opoku. But sir, sir, I feel bad for you now.
Okay. Opoku, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Opoku. So I think last time I saw him, he was heading to the boys' hostel.
Okay.
Yes.
Opoku, isn't it?
Yes. Opoku.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
But it's not true.
Oh, it's not true. Sir, the way he was singing it, and then it appears the source was legitimate.
Hey, it's not true. He said Opoku said so, right?
Yes.
So good. I'll get him. I'll call him.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with your Maya. Me, person me come any months with Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be thy
And the might Jesus, 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 and the might Jesus. Hey, my G. Hey, my G. Hey, my G. Hey, my G.
Come on. I see y'all. Come on. Hey, come on. Chill on, underground. That's like
my G. And the dance my G what it?
What?
Uni size.
That's like.
Ufim wura never no.
I don't wait me on. I didn't make kusi.
Na na kusi nkwa na fim wura mu pie.
Na obisa kwashia wo dey anfa yansa nto kura me fim wura never say.
Agro.
O sha ha yin fa na.
Agro. My jellies.
That's like.
Boko. My J no. I never see me no be din komo bi.
No ni mi nkomo bia di fro. We dey bia de bia ni obi nkomo.
My J. Adi bi twetwe maso.
Jibe. Ai, tangu.
Abian, over Bibian fly there.
We na first some one fin na.
Omudi. Adi there.
Odo ni me. Omo one fin na no man see. Sa agro when di bi da anya guy, wajimi. No me biem see.
Ti una woni atin nkoni.
Wa wajimi ana.
So wodi matam to majimi me
na say na won say mo bie bi.
Na je say.
Ngo onya legend. Ade won ti ase. Usu a oya kura.
Me powasem. Yeah, well. To the be am hard drink akara. But we way hours some powasem.
Oh me awe.
You may be cost school mama do. You don't want me tiase. Tiase enso am nwene ho.
Nyama be.
Jim. Last time I him una ne Scanty to one make a chere mo say. Ge bi ba abai Scanty a o say akra bo ne bo. So kai sa. Could you believe say? Could you believe say na say mo me feel library ba. You see down I'm not getting that. Get no akra bo ne bo no abai Scanty no. Me still feel library one now me ni nanim tatata. I'm questioning say the day no Scanty. Me here again anka. Me fetch the baby sa.
Asa no di kan catch him da.
Me fetch baby sa.
What di kan catch him da. Inti there.
And me fetch baby sa.
Inti there.
Imagine.
Emfa wo ho. Ade na wo ko ye konkonsen sa.
We ne konkonsen.
Na dey.
My J, yes ya pa e be hu nti na chechire boa. Ntie me. Me pe wasem. My J. Me sira wa we dey kadada Scanty mam on say una ben Scanty. Kadada ne mam na ko won ka no kule wom. Be say me se ne bibi ne na
ka catch ro.
Yes.
Me nya ho.
My J ne free o.
Na dey.
Wo ya nka meche wade.
Na wo wo bibi.
My J.
Na ko na waboda wo wo bibi abecha made. Na wo ka odi grant me ntu a wo be man bibi.
My J me say meto ade a chew. Me surprise you.
Ade na wo betima ato a chem.
Meto a week cake ba kwa chew.
Meto week cake ba kwa chem.
Ana week olunka ba kokra.
Na so wo ye guy.
Meto week cake ba kwa chew.
Meto week cake ba kwa.
My J me feel you.
Opoku ate. Opoku ate.
Me there's also be share me boa mo.
You are fantabulous. You are genomibulous. Escomibulous.
How does we share be wa me boa mo share mo.
Opoku ate.
My J is
say wo be tu. Me akrama. We are almost so I want me on. Wo be to week cake ma me. Wase ara ka sem kwara ya da wo no. Akomet say wanim fa. Wo han me say no.
My J today ye nim kwama em asumdie nwie da.
Na obi tima to ade a chemi.
My J ye nim kwama me fa ni die nwie da bia wo say obuafu.
Sa konko sasem fiti na ekoyi.
My J Mr. Ode to favor me, do me a favor.
Busa na me kan chiro. Mate. Bye. So antin so antimi ehwe.
Ana me just say really a favor na wo yam. What?
Okay, mate.
Asa me ho be Island.
Bye.
Okay.
Si amemi akra ma wa amemi ko bisa si ma anu wajimi o. Me akra ma o. Obesuma me. Jimi free o na koda.
Asa antimi di matemu.
Tika be chere. Baby kawere.
Sem ayi nam de tu ani.
Dem say no David na kabe.
Me de metimi no he but ehia me. Nti nam say ka busara.
Be ma de oto anu ama ho ayedin obi asuru.
Ada ho den.
David tiem bie me. We can open
Ada show trim say ho den.
We can open the floor for us. And I said we can open the floor for us. Let's open the floor.
Ba street fight.
Asia.
You na won obi nkokon. Na we dey wo boost student abo han.
Na dey so enipa. Wona ayo mo on why dey.
Ba tika ka fi okon wa. Ti sa fa fi. Okay.
Ninka her.
Pastor James.
Say my name again.
Pastor James.
Oh, say my name again.
Pastor.
Break. How are you doing? I'm very, very fine, Sister Brita. You know, the guy told you that I'm calling you, right?
Oh, yeah.
Sister Brita, there is something I want to discuss with you. But But before that, I want to ask you a question, Sister Britta. If somebody see you outside, imagine the person is not in this school, or even the person is in this school, but the person doesn't know me, Brother James, and the person asks you to describe me to them, what will you say about me? How? I want to know, how do you see me? That is the question. Do you think I just don't want to give you a clue, but how do you see me?
You're a nice guy, very calm. Let me say the whole school, you're the nicest guy.
Sorry.
That's the only thing I'll tell them.
Sorry if I'm acting weird, just forgive me, Did you just say I'm a nice guy?
Yes.
Like, you mean I am a nice guy? You see, when they say somebody is nice, it's a full package, you know that, right? It's not only about looks, their attitude, and how they go about, things.
Everything about you is 100%.
So I'm a full package, like, I'm a full package.
Oh, yes.
Sister Britta, give me your hand. Sister Britta, may God bless you. It takes the good ones to see the good ones. I don't know if you understand that. You are a good person, that is why you see goodness in me. If you were to be a bad person, God would have deprived you from seeing the good side of me. Sister Britta, thank you very much. Oh, sorry. I That's how I am. I'm very, very loving and friendly. I like your natural hair. That is very nice. You like my shirt? Oh, Sister Britta. If you keep doing this, you will make me feel some way. I even forgot I brought a Bible. Let me put it here. That's how I am. When I'm with the right person, I get distracted by, some things. So, yeah. And I like your skin. There is something about you. Your complexion. I don't know how to describe it. You see, you're not fair, nor dark. You're the real definition of chocolate. Say chocolate.
Chocolate. Pastor James.
Alright, so as I said, I was doing something before I asked the guy to come and call me. So I would like to go and continue.
Right now.
You don't want me to go. You want me to stay by you. Mopanyame. Hey. Well then, let's sit here. Come closer. And if you're weak, you can even, lie on me. I'm cool. I'm a strong guy. Yeah,
Pastor James.
Sister Britta.
Yeah, me the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord.
Me know nothing me feel. When him rouse I'm here in the day. But you my melon na Hey, Opoku dey you malo.
Opoku. Debut, me know na making me rounds. So, what is this I'm hearing about myself?
Say, then I'm in fan today.
Just I want to add them and say me bomb here.
Me. So I'm the boy here. Me na me mo irin pona makonguza obono.
Na wuni me here, na wuni me team. Now say me bomb here out say what spread me school hen nyina nkwala nketenkete ni obi ehunu ya headmaster no bono here. What do you mean?
Me kofi boku.
Hey. Opoku, hey. Matimi anya apotro ho pa me bi so asem. Imanu ambo asum.
Say na me dey wasem we dey. Asem kaka say dey me dey akoka. Headmaster mo na me dey me dey akoka headmaster kura ho asem.
Okay. Asem no so enso ano kan.
Me kan wan say me maka.
Opoku. E o say me so aho.
Headmaster, me timi kran kan wan asem. Me dey me ni man say headmaster wo school ma. Me ni kran poso wa wale.
Na say entro na wucha to me so keke.
Me. Asem wa kan maila o.
Opoku. No, school man we catch am for say me bo mere no.
Tambe. Dabe.
Me mpen kwata say.
Say,
Utu oni ahira.
And you know, catch Adam Scanty money, Aroma money, McJ Musa Meme Bomere. Ah, not almost one. Opoku may be on a school account.
Say, maybe I be a town.
What time? What time? What time?
Said I mean to me, could number being cut. Say, oh boy, Rana.
Won't some of me.
To me, could number.
Let us go this answer for Coca-Cola and furniture for some memorable Mary.
I said, my okay, yes.
Book went to an Indian.
Say,
hey,
me,
Sacro could John up as I am, who dear ground. If you are Minu,
say, hey, Casimir, we are children, and I own our day school as a headmaster. A respect to a book council. Say, mean to me, could never be crank count once and bonnet down. Oh, but that one for this side. Say, headmaster, we are penny. We did what Aroma is a penny to a craft from our France to penny. Say, no crazy impose or boy, and fatal. And fatal back say, headmaster, we did not call him a 2 year fool. As a old boy, and I dem start to count classes. Yes, also, I am school out to church and effect. Oh, simple said to Sir.
Not the car or nurse and no crate. What's the pizza on our walker? And yemen, I'm not him. Catch him, what him.
So I tell him.
I tell him, what tell him
to me, finance a movie.
Hey, what tell him?
We're gonna meet Oban catch him.
Nobody catch him.
Rachel into bracket,
that's a Rachel. And I catch us a meme bomb. And I also
can't tell me say straight to.
What can I say?
So on the can.
What can I say?
Oh, say, born him, I mean,
okay.
So we just have to
send my mere Jimmy. Young can ask him.
And then my mere Jimmy or bad there. I'm so bad a wool baby. I say it will quite be my now don't account bar. Okay, there's a watch it in Ancasan. Sebi previous sebi
how did the matter
sebi bruce sebi enya sebi okronto
the matter
then I say
why did you the matter
so why do you kaka
so wajim the matter so we the matter
me ni what mo
dey who dey the matter
tina me dey sebi
no bibi abo Rachel no man kan just say nkodo ho man kan just say nkasa no
me nkasa no
nkasa no
me na me baby na to me who opoku
da Opoku bra. Come. Bra.
Say. Me na say asembe na.
Yeah, me penkwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any months adwa meya.
Ani wo so din sa. Enti ko sase mu ya ho.
Makiya.
Mmanki. Enti sa wo bibia se efie kura na. Also the better school no give me matter me boa. What's the name for me head school I am calling you na head teachers ne nkwala nkitinkiti nya obi ahye mate no wo begum ni mate adan
na for the gaskiya
make ka for the gaskiya fadi me make ka yi fadi make ka san kin
no ku
saboda gidanku foolish girl sheki zo ki samu Opoku sheki na me kariya ba tun in po so ma me jimi na say medenensa ke kana kakra eso abua sa wo maame ade ne nya na me koka also di better school na o say me eso begum ni ma so school na nkola nkitinkiti ni na da ho no mo say me boa sa na ope me on hey sa na ope me wo minu school a wan hwe ni obechi amayam what did I make out of so ma me kosa san ni bi opeso di akire me boa wan hwe ni de me de be yo school a no ho rebe ho some de wini mi ye pa me entertain pa o me ka me ye why kitekite say e key holder ye kan wo be dina chere nipa
my uncle
kwasia wo wani obi aso ne na nkodi nkomo Opoku me boa Opoku nkomo di fo
my no
loneliness ubi school ma wonu say Opoku kra man ko baby o ana why lonely eni wenye obi ani na di nkomo Opoku na say oni ni di nkomo me boa na de besi fie no na wuyi efie obusuam secret ni na e kire no me boa
na minim so I medra mbisema na makanina
at your age we say to me you obi adro man kan nanu nsem madam so be na egu abontin wo And the new fear circle of from moto. Can't feel me so call. Fucking girl.
Akatania Messi so. Yes, system and Nisso. Yes, Minya Yakeka. Debbie Messisa. Mammy Bompire wonder. Miss me press young matching. Empire in your liberty. Control no meso man.
No, I'm call boy.
I'm coming on anymore.
Straight.
They've been coming on anymore. Tigabas and coming on anymore. I mean, you need like you, bro. Hey, you better upgrade this time, bro.
They trust.
I'm a chussel.
Boy, now one pa na say school ma why do so can you join and casa.
Me.
I say
You be to me from second John and count to the be I'm meeting baby.
sure. That's why you lose baby because now I be here and answer what to say you know I lose.
Come on, I bet an meeting and bro. Come on, I'll bet my sorry. Aye, I'm coming on meeting any assassin any area. To bet my call, you can go.
And rich you can't see one unu aba ama ko hwede oni Aroma yo why Britain Aroma
No mo yele
ena owo yede ena nye rich nkwa na me first time hu mu na say school ma be fa be bia no mu ginagina joint bi
jam na mo nya de mo yana
me ka unu no
na ni million na mo ana yede
ana me ka Aroma
come on na ni midi no ka Aroma say yo inform us and me come us mo nche me are
na say Aroma no nim say ya na nye fa ya
ono wa na nene nkasa fa wo jimi fro ono wa na nene nkasa binya na sama na be ka kire me wan kan chem so mpani bio yo mami kan cho life we no se o pe oba enye gaga e so nim so fili oba na person ni oba tena eye kasade krokro ba no kanya sasem kire no to ade e ko che no to my gift akoma no menye ho gaga ase de o de mempɛ unzo ni obi gina wa ahye
so I go support oni Aroma
me support bibi aba fa jimi fro ne na ma ade ni bibi no
nenye ni bibi no anke duru nwumra no mo gina
ni pe wo school mu Aroma school mu nti o ha de asem
na ade na Aroma nkwa no be fa na da
ba fa jimi fro sorry free akona o sami ni so wa jimi say
my joni aba say
leave this place. Don't push me to the wall. Leave this place. I said, don't push me to the wall.
Hey, my course is sound.
For the last time, leave this place. Don't push me to the wall. You want it several?
Who join you na Aroma? Huh?
Well, Fauji me fear. Fear. Who shame me for fear say? Fear.
The me changing come on, the name so changing.
Me no ni komo bi eri o he. O ka so wa don funu mi bi o. So you fear. Hwe. Ko jani e man ko din komo. Ene me na me trapper o. E bia me hia boys o ma adwen ne me ye pe. Me pe be ma no obadwini ska. Na me na dwini ska bom. E jimi na o jimi sisi an live here. Just want to oba ho asem na dream ke ba beka. Fanboy and we yes ade no ndwini ska. Can't you think about money? Can't you?
Ni me hu nua ba se na me ka cho ka chem se.
Dwini ska, ni hu oba de so beka. Fear call, sorry fear.
Hey, my kunu aba o.
Ara be so ri mi dia bro. Sa ko memma o mark bi on. Ayo kura mani hu mbetwem. Sa o fanboy nda ko mese wani. Asiati. Ama brito obeku mani ma se pound. Hey, my chest. Ama brita. Aroma, let me say, he wants to see the a buffalo beside me, with Tonyame. If you try me, we won't finish this.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months I drum me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill.
Ama. So you same person. What is going on you and Aroma?
Let's be na meti honom na ono a buy. No ni me bon komo. Oso be see sorry dan bi kra. No preach me. Ba me enya me hwe no, me enya me hwe no.
Nya Jimmy na original na ye on sa style na on. Man ka se me cho. School mu aba uni adamfo. Ba from Adam sa hu na obetima akasa no because of so one in wo banti. Pia be pia oni ye free. Just no me ka cho no. Oti ase no me ka cho no.
Mate.
Me tinya me ka me chia me da say. Da no hu so ne boy ni nam no. Dia me show no be ja.
Bra fi cry the school ne
School na dey.
Bro, ya madam for.
We are me na memu akofie. We are me ana memu akofie. O ja sira me ka cho no. We are me na memu enyo na obe bre o school ni ho. No man dey ko follow them for say.
So ya suffer.
Mami kan cho. Sa asori de na wo fie na ya so kobo shabo na boys na cho no wada no. Sira wo mfam be school mu a. Just na me ka cho no. Ye wo fie na ukobo shabo uko ara boys na cho no mo no wada. Sa jini na ode be school mu a bo Ubi me be wo me shibo ni su bia.
Na when so when you bre wo makasama Confronting na pure ya sofo preaching me won kan hwe.
Me say my name your first and last time me hu say oni Aroma odi ago. Yeah, go na me. I'm serious here. Don't joke with me. I swear, if you joke with me, you see the bad side of me.
I've already seen the bad side. It's me.
Don't joke with me. Just me catch on. And mommy, you say, when you are Roman now, and I send a move from a craft found. Just me catch on. And so be fun and grow. But you are me to you.